In this video I will tell you that how to fix Instagram reels not working. So first of all we have to open up Instagram here, and at the bottom right you can see this option. Okay, so this is the reels option basically. Okay, so this is the reels option here. Okay, so if this option is not showing to you, or if your reels are not working, so I will tell you three fixes. So the first fix that you can do is you can always update your Instagram app. Go to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and try to update your Instagram app. And the second thing that you can do is you can just open up settings here, go to apps and notifications, and open up the Instagram application and open up storage and cache, and just clear the cache of your Instagram application. And you can also clear the storage, but you have to log in back again to your Instagram account. And the last thing that you can try is you can just uninstall the application from your phone and try to reinstall it again. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.